Hey kids, welcome to our animal adventure. In this video, we're going to show you some cool animals and tell you where they live and what sounds they make. Get ready to learn and have fun. Let's explore the wild world of animals together. Mouse lives in the forest, eats seeds and insects, makes a squeaking sound. Cat lives in the jungle, eats small animals, makes a purring sound. Bee lives in a hive, collects nectar and pollen, buzzes. Squirrel lives in the forest, eats nuts, makes a chattering sound. Dog lives on a farm, barks, likes to eat meat. Butterfly flutters around flowers, drinks nectar, makes no sound. Horse lives on a farm, runs fast, eats hay, neighs, and says neigh. Turkey lives in the forest, makes a gobbling sound, eats seeds and insects. Beaver lives in